5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program.
From our About Space Today World Headquarters, I'm John Gomez, and here are the stories you need to know about. AXIOM has selected the astronauts for its upcoming Mission 4, and an update on Boeing Starliner that might have you asking more questions. You'll hear about this and more next, as America and the world is listening to About Space Today.
D&D Cruise and Tours is the official agent for About Space, and we invite you to come fly away to all-inclusive resort island destinations, or a cruise vacation from Port Canaveral, and even visit the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex, or just come and see the parks. Call for a discount cruise or an island getaway or the Florida beaches. Call today. The call is free, and so are our services. Call 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. We are Florida's group travel specialists.
Welcome back. On August 5th, AXIOM Space released an official statement stating that the private space organization was partnering with space agencies from India, Poland, and Hungary to send an astronaut from each country on AXIOM's Mission 4. Former NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson will be in command of the mission. Subhanshu Shukla of India is the mission pilot, and Slavoj Uzansky of Poland and Tibor Kapu of Hungary are the mission specialists. AX-4 will launch to the orbiting laboratory aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft from Florida, and the crew is expected to spend up to 14 days at the space station. Finally this week, I know you're probably tired of hearing about this, but it is space news, and that's what we cover here at About Space Today. I digress. Boeing Starliner is still attached at the hip of the International Space Station. That's not the newsworthy part, though. The newsworthy part is that there are a few big launches being held up due to Starliner's issues. For instance, if reports are true, SpaceX's Crew 9 mission would be pushed from August 18th to September 24th. So it also raises another question. What happens to Polaris Dawn? What happens to Axiom 4? Do those missions get pushed back because Starliner is occupying the last available dock at the space station? It's possible, verging on likely. I think it's high time someone at NASA or Boeing stood up and said something about this situation and when these astronauts can come home. The world is just starting space commerce and we're already stalling out. For more on this story, stay tuned to About Space Today News for more coverage. Make sure you check out our Facebook page, aboutspace.today, for launches and landings. You can find us on your favorite podcast platform. Just don't forget to mash that like and subscribe button, especially on YouTube. Join David Denault twice a month for Special Report and Don Meyer every Friday for America in Space. Whether you're listening from the International Space Station or just on your phone here in the U.S., thanks for joining me. I'm John Gomez, and you just learned a little about space today.